everybody, and welcome to my video on copyright issues. What's going on? And I really enjoyed these videos. I thought they were very informative and very concise. And you know what? It brought up for me a lot of myths. I realized that I have had a lot of myths, and I realized that I had some things right too about copyright law. And I've actually been thinking about copyright law for a number of years because I am in fact a amateur songwriter, and so it came up a few times, and I actually have some stuff copywritten. Well, actually, that brings up another good point, because my original definition of it was that once you create something, it's copywritten, but the act of registering it so that the rest of the world knows about it is important. And I really thought that the video's statement about it's not how you use it, it's about getting permission, that really kind of summed it up for me, and it pretty makes all it pretty much makes all the issues moot. I thought it kind of simplifies it to you can like use that as a litmus test against almost all things. Do you have permission? Then you can't use it. But I had always heard that, for example, like in music, you could sample. Back in the days when sampling was really cool, you could sample somebody's music as long as it wasn't more than 8 seconds. That's what I had always heard. And then you can use it. And there was even that classic case with Vanilla Ice. And I remember when they interviewed him, and he said, like, well, the original beat goes dun 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 dun, and mine goes dun 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 dun, and it's different. And I was like, anyway, so yeah, so that's, I guess that pretty much goes back to what we're learning here. And so I took some notes on the videos, but I sort of had a question about public domain too, which I'll get to in just a second, because I thought it would be neat to show you something here. It's actually a very old artifact that I have. This envelope is almost 20 years old. Let's see, the date on it is... this to me was referred to as the poor man's copyright. So basically this is an envelope which contains some lyrics that I wrote for a country song. And so if you look at the back of it, it has a seal. I don't know if you can see that, but those are seals from the public post office. And then there's a seal on the front. So basically, I suppose in court, the idea is you could tear this envelope open and say, yeah, those are my lyrics. I wrote them on December 24th, 1994. And so I've always heard of this as the poor man's copyright. So anyway, I thought it'd be neat to show you that, and maybe Professor Bustillos could talk about that too. And so to get to my question really quick, I had a question on public domain. And so my question was, how do you actually know if it's public domain? And is there a body of work, a registry that you can go through to see like a list of works that are public domain? I have a feeling like there is, I just don't know where to look. So anyway, that's my question. So I thought the videos were great, and I decided to make a video blog post for my blog post for this month, and I hope you all enjoy it, and we'll see you soon. Sayonara and adios and asvidesen and aloha and goodbye. Salut, kalimerasas. Thank you, and D-Ball signing off. Later.